Hello, I am Emma, a mom of 2 kids. And every day is busy from morning to night. There's always something to do: cooking, cleaning, helping with homework, and making sure everyone is okay. It's not always easy, but I love being a mom and doing my best for my family. My day starts at 6 o'clock in the morning. I wake up before everyone else, so I can have a little quiet time. I make myself a cup of tea or coffee, and plan what needs to be done that day. These few minutes help me feel calm before the busy part begins. By 6:30, I wake up the kids. I help them get ready for school. Brushing teeth, getting dressed, and having breakfast. I also prepare their lunch boxes and make sure their school bags are packed. Mornings can feel rushed, but I try to keep everything organized and make sure we leave on time. After the kids go to school around 8 o'clock, I clean the house. I wash the dishes, fold clothes, and sweep the floor. Some days I also go grocery shopping or finish small tasks that I couldn't do earlier. If I have some free time, I rest a little or read something. Around 2:30 in the afternoon, I get ready to bring the kids home. When they arrive, I give them snacks and ask about their day. Then it's time for homework, and I help them if they need it. If they don't have much work, we go to the park or play at home. At around 6:30, I make dinner. Sometimes the kids help me in the kitchen, which they enjoy. After we eat, I give them a bath, help them change into pajamas, and we read a story together. By 8:30, they are in bed, and the house becomes quiet. At night, I finally get time for myself. I might clean up a little more, watch a show, or just relax. I feel tired, but also happy that I did everything I needed to. Being a mom is a big job, but it's full of small, special moments that make it all worth it.